be reviewing the Smonet Smart Lock from Amazon. There are 4 ways to unlock. The first way is through the regular key that it comes with. Right here, the key. The second way is with this E-key. You see? There we go. The third way is by programming a code.
Unlocked.
So the fourth way is by using your fingerprint. So another cool thing that I like about this smart lock is that it has automatic lock. And you could also connect it to your Amazon Alexa. Alexa, lock the front door. So what I didn't like with this lock was that it comes with this, and it has like 2 of these. So you actually have to drill a hole in here, in your door, to put this bracket here. And then you attach the wire. And then this is how it looks like. Right here. And so other than that, just remember, there's only one. You only have to do one, drill one hole. And I guess the other piece that they had that came with it was just for extra. I don't know what it really is for. I tried other YouTube channels. I tried to watch other YouTube channels and it did not show. So once you take out the batteries and you want to put the batteries back in to reset it, because I watch a lot of YouTube channel on how to connect it to your app, and sometimes it doesn't connect. So you have to take out the battery to reset the lock. And then if you want to reset it, you want to connect your app into your phone, the phone and the app together. 0, 0, 0, 0.
Operation failed.
And so I'm going to give you my review on this Smonet lock. And so I'm going to give you what I don't like about it. So one thing I didn't like about this lock was that the installation. As you saw in the beginning of this video, I showed you where you had to drill a hole inside your door. And it came with another bolt, another screw bolt, that I didn't know what it was really for. And there was nothing in the instruction to explain. And another thing that I didn't like about it was really difficult to link the lock into the app. And so I am going to explain this one more time. Remember, once you have installed the lock, don't forget to reset the lock by pushing 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros, and the pound button. And this should be able for you to connect the lock with the app on your phone. I would definitely recommend this product, especially with the coupon. If you click on my link below, there is a $45 coupon for this product. So that's my review. Hope you enjoy it. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.